We'll guide you through how to create a Zapier template. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. Log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, navigate to the top menu and click on the Templates tab. Here, you'll see an option to create a template on the right-hand side. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the template creation screen. Start by giving your template a name that clearly describes its purpose. This will help users understand what your template does at a glance. Next, you'll need to choose the apps that your template will connect. Click on Add a Trigger app and select the app that will start the automation. Follow the prompts to specify the trigger event, such as when a new email arrives or when a form is submitted. After setting up the trigger, it's time to add actions. Click on Add an Action app and select the app where you want the action to take place. For instance, if your trigger is a new email, your action might be to create a task in a project management app. Configure the action by following the prompts to set up the necessary fields and options. You can add multiple actions if needed. Once you've set up your trigger and actions, review your template settings. Make sure everything looks good and that there are no errors. Zapier will often highlight any issues you need to fix. After confirming everything is correct, click on Save and Continue to finalize your template. Your template will now be available for others to use, and you can share it with your team or anyone else who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.